At MP, we've been manufacturing electrical solutions adapted to the lift sector for 30 years. And today, thanks to an experienced and motivated human resources team, we continue to be able to take on new technological challenges. Under the motto, "We adapt to your space naturally," we have reiterated our commitment to optimizing energy resources with the utmost respect for the environment. An essential part of this commitment, result of a successful career marked by innovation, is the new MP controller, ECOBASIC, an innovative controller about which more details are given below. But first, we shall give a brief review of the path we took to reach here. MP's first landmarks in the development and design of the electronic product date back to the end of the 80s, then under the name Mecanismos y Accesorios, MAC. From the initial core of R&D Electrónica, created and led by Manuel Barranco, we designed the first controllers with microprocessor in the sector. In 1994, the MicroMac and MicroSimplex controllers gave way to the MicroBasic controllers, a monoboard product which has been a reference in the sector in Europe thanks to its simple, robust design. A little earlier in 1991, as a result of collaboration with our lift operator customers, MP invented the pre-assembled electrical installation, tailor-made for each lift, which simplifies the processes and reduces the installation times by using plug-and-play connections. 20 years later, the pre-assembled solution has become a standard in the market and confirms MP as a pioneer in technological solutions. The push-button panels are a significant part of the electrical installation, and in 1996, MP confirmed their position as a manufacturer of push-button panels with the compact button, a vandal-proof classic design element which today continues to be a standard component in lifts all around the world. In 1998, MP made an innovative move towards a modern and colourful line with the roller push button. In 1997, MP embarked upon the design of power electronics, launching the frequency converter 3VF Mac 1, the first converter specifically designed for lifts. As the climax to a decade of achievements and success and applying telecommunications technology, MP launched their emergency telephone Phonomac in 1999. The leading role acquired in the field of power electronics enabled us to market the Reveco operator in 2001, an innovative system for controlling automatic doors with a frequency converter. In 2003, MP launched the Via Serie controller with distributed electronics and CAN bus communication. MP has continued to incorporate advances in electronics in the frequency converters, as well as new functions in the controller, such as the automatic integrated rescue system, continuous improvements in telephony, position indicators, remote monitoring systems, etc. In 2009, MP took one step more in the design of power electronics with a frequency converter able to withstand the control of synchronous motors based on chip digital signal processor DSP 3VF Mac DSP-6P. These are just some of the results of decades of effort and enthusiasm to serve our customers. At present, MP markets several products which are at the fore in the lift sector. Two models of controller. The MicroBasic 4, a simple and reliable monoboard controller with communication in parallel. And the Via Serie V85, a modern and versatile controller with distributed electronics and CAN bus communication. Both come with an automatic rescue system. The 3VF Mac DSP-6P frequency converter, valid for synchronous and asynchronous motors, and prepared for the automatic rescue system without batteries for gearless lifts. The emergency telephone Phonomac 3, in accordance with EN 8128 and EN 8170. And two models of push buttons, the compact model, a classic vandal-proof design, and the modern roller, both in accordance with EN 8170. The future has already got a name, ECOBASIC. The new MP controller which is currently under development and which will mark a before and after. In the sector of eco-efficient electrical products, the use of the minimum of materials, many of which can be recycled, help to keep the environmental impact to a minimum throughout the product life cycle. The unit offered as standard comes with the most efficient components, a system of intelligent lighting based on LED technology and a consumption control circuit in standby. Optionally, a regenerative module can be included that returns the braking energy to the grid. Other standard features, which for other manufacturers involve additional costs, include door pre-opening, automatic rescue, GSM GPRS telephone with remote control option, absolute positioning in VF lifts and large format display. Furthermore, ECOBASIC is designed for new constructions or for refurbishments. The machine roomless option with electronics in shaft and completely open control using graphical interface are also considered. State-of-the-art electronic components have been selected for the design and are subjected to the strictest of quality controls. ECOBASIC is also the simplest controller for the lift operator to use. The number of cables and connections has been reduced to a minimum, and they're all fail-safe, thus preventing errors in the connections. An interactive guide to assembly is included, and a test mode is provided to confirm the integrity of connections and that the installation has been correctly installed. In addition, the new MP controller complies with a wide range of standards, guaranteeing its safety and quality. Only a company such as MP could tackle this new design with all the guarantees of success. We have the best of human and technical teams and facilities with next-generation technology. The hemi-anechoic chamber, possibly the only one in the sector, for radiated electromagnetic compatibility tests. Thermographic cameras and other equipment, which guarantee the robustness and safety of the electronic design. Assembly workshop for prototypes, providing huge flexibility and speed in the product design. In addition, MP has the support of the best collaborators to complement their activity in the field of R&D and I. This is the case with the University of Seville, and more specifically, the School of Higher Education in Industrial Engineering, the Polytechnic University School, and the School of Higher Education for Computer Engineers. The university offers MP technological surveillance, applied research, and the inclusion of new technologies. The result of the collaboration is a large number of patents jointly registered by MP and the University of Seville. The close collaboration between MP and the Aragon Technological Institute, ITA, should also be noted here. In addition to providing support in calculations and mechanical developments, the ITA performs electromagnetic compatibility tests on the lift once it has been assembled and provides the test towers in which the innovations and standard products are continuously being tested. Most importantly, people. An R&D department which consists of experienced professional engineers and technical assistants covering the different technologies required for the electrical and electronic design, electronic hardware, electronic firmware, application software, electrical and mechanical installation of enclosures. Thanks to these resources and the unbeatable capacity for development, MP continues to be the leaders in the design of electric and electronic products and is a point of reference in the lift sector. Because at MP, we believe innovation, technology and eco-efficiency are the indisputable leaders of this new era. We adapt to your space naturally.